Bini, I have a question. How do housewives manage everything? Kids' homework, cooking, cleaning, family time, or phir bhi smile? It seems impossible.
Jake, it's not impossible. It's all about small routines, love, and smart tips. Today, I'll show our audience how to make kids' homework and family time productive and fun.
Wow, this sounds like a superhero guide.
Exactly, superpowers without a cape. Let's start. Hello, friends. Welcome to Shadowing English Daily Routine, where learning English is easy, real, and fun. I'm Bini.
And I'm Jake.
Today, we focus on a very important part of a housewife's day kids' homework and family time. It's not just about teaching kids, it's about bonding, patience, and smart routines.
And yes, we will shadow these sentences so beginners can repeat and practice real English while listening.
Okay, Jake, let's start with a common scene. Kids sit for homework, but they are tired or distracted.
Oh, I know that. Mama, I don't want to do it.
Exactly. First tip for housewives warm up 5 minutes. Before homework, give them a snack, water, or just a short talk.
Reset energy.
Yes, listen to this sentence and repeat. Let's take 5 minutes before homework. Perfect. Now, what if the homework is difficult?
Then we use small wins method. Start with the easiest question. After solving, praise the child. See, you can do it.
That's motivating. Kids feel confident immediately.
Exactly. Repeat after me. I solved the first question. I can do the next one.
Tip 2. Make learning visual.
Visual?
Yes, if it's math, use toys.
English?
Use real objects.
Science?
Small home experiments.
So kids learn and have fun.
Right. Shadow this. I learn with my mom using real objects.
And parents get a little creative too.
Yes, and don't forget to celebrate small wins. One correct answer equals happy clap.
Now let's practice a small dialogue. Shadow after us. Good afternoon, Bini. What's today's homework?
We have math, English reading, and a small science project.
Sounds difficult.
It can be fun if we do it step by step.
Okay, let's start with math.
Yes, first we solve question 1.
Done. Next, English reading?
Right. Read aloud slowly, listen to me, then repeat.
Okay. The sun is bright today.
Perfect. Now shadow it slowly. The sun is bright today.
Great. Science next?
Yes, let's experiment with water and colors. We mix red and blue to make purple.
Fun. Repeat it. We mix red and blue to make purple.
Homework is done. Now comes family time.
Ah, yes, the magical 10 to 15 minutes.
Exactly. Phones away, no rush, ask simple questions. How was school today? What made you happy? What did you learn?
And kids answer freely, conversation grows naturally.
Shadow this sentence. I ask my child about school and listen carefully.
So short, but powerful. Connection plus language practice.
Yes. Tip for housewives. Consistency is more important than long hours.
Moms must feel tired after all this.
True, Jake, but small rewards help. A smile, a hug, or thank you from kids.
Repeat after me. I feel happy helping my child with homework. And even after chores, they feel accomplished.
Yes, this is hidden strength. Every small effort counts and makes a difference.
Wow, Bini, I feel inspired.
And that's the point. Housewives don't just manage tasks, they shape the future.
Let's review the sentences we practiced today. Repeat after us. Let's take 5 minutes before homework. I solved the first question. I can do the next one. I learn with my mom using real objects. The sun is bright today. We mix red and blue to make purple. I ask my child about school and listen carefully. I feel happy helping my child with homework. Every small effort counts and makes a difference.
This was part 1 of our Housewife Home Routine series, Kids Homework and Family Time.
Next, in part 2, we'll continue with evening chores, kitchen prep, and self-care tips.
For the full video, watch my channel and practice along with us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and shadow every line.
See you in part 2. Bye for now.